Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone, you see. My people, alright, so here I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle that was being driven by a motorist hit a motor vehicle that was being driven by a motorist, and that caused one of those motor vehicles to overturn and end up on one of its sides. Viewers and subscribers, let me say, so this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of a two motor vehicle collision. Now, the video had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video also shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica. Now, based on some words that have been said in the video and according to information that I got, it is believed that a motorist, who you can see in the video, was trying to avoid being stopped by police from within the country of Jamaica. It is also believed that the motorist was speeding, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that at some point the motor vehicle that the motorist was driving hit a motor vehicle that another motorist was driving and caused that motor vehicle to overturn, and that motor vehicle end up on one of its sides, viewers and subscribers. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to how many persons might have been injured because of the incident. However, the video shows at least one person who was at one point laying on the ground, and it is said that that person was taken to a medical facility to get some form of medical attention, viewers and subscribers. As I say, I also got the understanding that a motorist, who you can see in the video, had been arrested or detained by police. Now, please bear in mind that you can see two damaged motor vehicles in this video, viewers and subscribers, and you can also hear harsh language in the video as well. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Georgia. Rough boy. See the way. Jesus Christ, you see that live? Oh God, just a tell about the police, come on, pin up in there. Yo, turn over it. Why me have it? Yo, Georgia Star. Yo, rough. Hold on, till the dog come down. Club. No man. 3,000 police and behind. I don't know how you know the turn on me road. Where am I run from police for? Where am I run from police, brother? The man pass me right now, so go on the road. The police are behind him and he come to the condo. He put the life in a simple tap now. Mash up all the people in here, man. Club. So they mash up a woman, dog. Them boy, man. Never the from blood clot. And I hear so when him run from police. Run from police. Man, good on the road. Good on the road. And he's turn and fuck up the road again. Out of the side, the car, come out the road and the car, man. You know, come out the road. You can kill a few man, you know. The car woman go up, the car woman. Yo, the car go hospital, no? Car woman go hospital fast, Georgia. Live, you know, man. Oh, God. Backlash she get in because she never turn, you know, so she don't know so the liquor coming, you know, man.
You can say personal move, you know, we're subscribers. Yeah, personal, but they say me on the ground, this personal move.
Alright, open that.
Georgia hitting on Osborne store, you know. Why, rough. Next taxi man run from police and I do a murderation or so. Yeah, man, so me over here, so I take everything live. I swear. See the accident live. The woman I turn to come over here, so. And this man I overtake and give her a backlick, flip the car up in the air and drop in the trench. Why rough, man. Mash up a woman vehicle, man, and mash her up, man. Pin her down in the car and see. Mash up a woman to blood clot, brother.
Come here. Go somewhere, man. Go somewhere.
Flow away your flash, man. Flow away your flash, man. I'm going to police them. I'm going to police them drive in front of you. Yo, now take time, take her up in the brother. Oh, to that man. Yo, we see this before it happen here.
We see them, we run out this song, we run out.
But yeah, man, I eat, man. Boy, driver, you're salt in the idea, brother. I still, I swear. Boy, I just pray that two men are dead, my boy. Today I don't fear there, my boy. None at all today I don't fear there. Yo, that car lock off, that car look like it all for blazing and flames, you know. That car, the gas a leak, lock off the car there and take off the battery terminal.
Hello. Oi! Put that on your belly. Put that on your belly. Put that on your belly.
Why, rough. Jaja. Why I can't manage to run from police, you know, man. So I drive here and hold him, boy. Mash up the people in the car to blood clot. Officer, take off the terminal, take off the battery terminal. That look like it got sparks, you know. Just so we can drive the terminal. Ease off the battery terminal. Rock off, man.
Yeah.
Ah! So you know, so no fire can't catch this up.
I'm in the form of fire. You know, electrical.
Why I'm a driver, boy, you salt. Overtake him. Yeah, but him overtake. And then woman turn right and I overtake the blood. Hey, woman turn right and I overtake the brother. Yeah, and him overtake, but woman turn and I overtake. You never see a woman at all. Woman a turn and come in and he overtake from the police and lick her and split the vehicle. You know, say so straight down the man get man. All them do, all them just stop and listen to the police man.
Why, but they just accept the ticket for that. They just accept the ticket.
Brother, what they get $60,000 ticket to the man.
They just accept the ticket and go on and put them and play. Look how much
and look at the people in car, brother. Jaja. Come drive, don't let a road. Husband store the thing there. For Swansea so between right, husband store school. See high school over there, so. Yeah. taxi driver run from police boy and nearly kill a woman. Gone to hospital. No, no, woman did a drive in man. Sure.
Yeah, because there's a possibility.
Officer secure that woman that belongs to a good woman in a man.
Possibility.
Make sure all that belongings through in a car there.
What charges the person might get?
Yeah man, throw her sitting them in a car back, a good woman man. Any paper you find us throw in a car man, a good woman. No, in a world of ask her name, in a ask she. And then do shopping over there all the while. You must can find some paper for her in there. For her vehicle. Woman a drive, brother. Hey, picture you get a lick where you don't expect. I turn woman a turn in a man. Yo, the man, you first never see one turn over flick on vehicle, so you know. Brother, I treat them to flick and drop in the trench, you know. And them turn over it, you know. What you mean, brother? And them push over it. I will not have to keep I read the coil. I never speak here for the police. I didn't do that topic here. Just topic here and take a picture. Something boy, rough. Number license. Commercial people. And in good and even get a liar, come on, not come out of this to blood. I just insurance I got feeling. Insurance I got feeling. Like coolant.
The problem when you put for yourself in my people. I feel away for even say this, but I go say it. Life is not a movie, you know. Life is not a movie. Life is a real life. Reality. See? It's not movie. There's no do-over when certain things happen. See? As a motorist, if you get signaled by police to stop, comply. Comply. What if the police are making us say, listen, something going down there, so don't go down there. See? And every time police stop a motorist or drive a motor vehicle, have nothing to do with the traffic now. I care life. The police are saving. Don't ever try to break the law. See? I mean, I gotta act like I'm perfect because mistakes can happen. But me, I gotta always try my best for not violate any form of traffic law or break law. I gotta always try my best. And I gotta always try to give good advice. Now, my people, here's the thing now. See? I forgot to mention that I did not get any confirmed information as to when the incident happened during subscribers. So I'm just gonna make that a bit clear. You see me? But one thing for sure, the situation has been talked about on social media, my people. But I like to tell me, what you think about a situation like that? See? Obviously, someone was being blamed for what happened when it comes down to that incident. So let me know what you think here, my people. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.